It's Mr. Gullius with a preview of second quarter. Before we get all the way into second quarter, I just wanted to point out some of the successes first quarter. We had so many amazing edits and just I was really impressed at how we're becoming innovative designers through Pixlr and just the great work that you guys have been doing. I've been real pleased. We've had extremely high attendance. We've learned how to just use QOD. We do a great job participating in that. Our projects have just been such high quality. The average scores are above a 3, which is outstanding. And the last thing that really stuck out was the problem solving. I'm getting a lot of people who are just, they're becoming very proficient with using YouTube and Google and just solving problems and helping others as well. 3 areas we would look to focus on for second quarter. We could still improve. I still have a lot of people emailing questions that are clearly answered in the daily announcement and they didn't watch it. So I brought back the meme. Let's make sure we are in fact watching the daily announcement. The same with the tutorial videos. Sometimes it can be time consuming, but they're there for you, so it's easy for you to learn. And the last one, building wide, we've pushed the screens on, and it is, that one I almost could put into one of the compliments where we've been doing a great job, but we still want to keep pushing on that one. So what is to come this quarter? We're going to start off with Scratch, and we're going to be doing video games. We're going to have a lot of fun with that. It depends at what level you're at, which types of games you're going to make, but we're going to have a good time doing Scratch for the next couple weeks. After that, we're going to switch gears. We're going to use Tinkercad, and you guys are going to be making 3D models. And again, this one will kind of depend where, what level you're on. But we have all kinds of different projects you can do. It should be really fun, and you're going to learn how to make a 3D model. We're going to do our robotics and programming. This one will also be very skill-based, where you're going to have options from doing art, using coding and programming, to learning like Python or Java and programs like Code Combat or Code.org. We even have options where you can learn Python or Java. Just all kinds of different programs. Too many to even put on here, but it is going to be a fun unit as well. We're going to do a shorter animation unit this quarter. We're still playing around with options, but you will see Piskel app again is going to be a great option for remote learning. It's going to be a fun unit. You guys are going to enjoy doing that. We are going to do a short video editing unit, maybe just a few days, where you make a commercial. We'll finish our website. So the bulk of the work of the website is done, as you probably realize. Now we're just kind of adding in some fine tuning. The last thing we do in this class is our passion project, where you're going to pick any one of our 8 or 9 modules, and you're going to be able to go deeper and create something you like. So if you end up liking Scratch, you're going to be able to make some amazing video game, or the same with animations or 3D printing. You'll pick one of the units that you liked, photo editing, it doesn't matter. It could be any one of them, and you'll try to tie it to a passion, something that matters to you, to make your learning meaningful and hopefully do something that can help some other people as well. So we'll talk much more about the passion project, but that'll be the last thing we do for this class. We will be doing smarter goals / smart goals this quarter. We'll continue some fun app days. We did one of those already. I have a feeling we'll do a couple more of those. Look for some more GIM kits. We're going to do some Kahoots, quizzes, all kinds of fun stuff. So that gives you a good idea of what is to come for second quarter. I'm really looking forward to building on first quarter. I'm glad you're here. Let's do it.